Welcome back. A committee has been formed to get the National Games infrastructure in place, proposed to be held in Goa in November 2016. The committee will prepare a budget for games and submit it before the government. In all, 28 games will be held, out of which 26 events will be held in the state and 2 in other states. Goa Sports Associations along with Goa Olympic Association held a meeting on hosting national games in the state. National games are likely to be held in November 2016.
National Games are due to be held in Goa in November 2016. Sports associations in Goa are geared up to host the big event in the state. Sports associations along with Goa Olympic Association held a meeting on Saturday. They discussed about getting the infrastructure for the games in place and cost for the event.
सरकाराकडल्यान आमची कितें आता अपेक्षा आहा आनी आमी कितें करूंक शकतात खेळा खातीर ह्या विशयाचेर एक डिस्कशन जालें. कित्याक शेवटी मेडल मेळपाक जाय हो मुद्दो आशिल्लो.
26 events will be held in the state.
28 खेळ सरकारान घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतलो आसा गोंयांत. 28तल्यान 26 गोंयांत जातले, 2 कदाचित भायर जातले, सायकलिंग आनी दुसरे आहा तें रायफल शूटिंग. कित्याक हाका इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट जर पळयतलो जाल्यार खूब आसा.
Union Minister Shibad Naik attended the meeting.
काही सब कमिटी हे आमचे स्मूथ ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आणि ग्राउंड वर्क जावचे म्हणून एक स्मूथ कमिटी आज आमी नेमल्या आणि ही कमिटी बारीक सारीक जे इश्यू आहात ते गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन व्हरून ते नॅशनल गेमीचे पयलीं सॉल्व करपाचो प्रयत्न करतले.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Get a bumper crop of vegetables and save water. The Agriculture Department's initiative of drip irrigation has helped the Rashol Seminary to yield good crops at reasonable cost. Seminarians and priests together have cultivated brinjals, chilies, ladyfingers, cluster beans, pumpkins and a variety of other vegetables. Here is a special report.
Brinjals, chilies, ladyfingers, cluster beans, pumpkins. This is the kitchen garden of Rashol Seminary. They have used the drip system for vegetation. The priest and other seminarians have cultivated the farms. This year they have managed to get a bumper crop of vegetables besides saving water and also cut in labor cost.
And this year we have introduced, with the help of the department, drip irrigation. So we could cover much more area than last year. Last year we had of this whole thing that you will see, last year we cultivated only 1/4, but this year we went on full filled, we can say.
गेल्या वर्सा आमी पायपाचेर आमची भाजी रोयताले पण ह्या वर्साक आमी सरकारा कडल्यान हे ड्रीप इरिगेशन सिस्टमाची माहिती घेतली आणि ते आमच्या शेतान घालून ह्या वर्साक आमकां भरपूर क्रॉप आणि तो क्रॉप आमकां उजार करून आमी विकतात. भाजीपाल्याचो धंदो करूंक एक सोयेक आसा.
Agricultural Officer Nagesh Kumar Pant, involved in farmers training, gave details of drip irrigation. This system has shown wonderful results.
आता हे ड्रीप इरिगेशन सिस्टम म्हणल्यार कितें आसा, जे उदक जे सारकें त्या झाड खंयचेंय झाड लायलें त्या मुळाक लावपाचें आणि जे उदक जे आसा त्या झाडाचे थंयच मुळाक पडटलें आणि तितल्याच जाग्यार तें उदक तें मेळटलें. आता ड्रीप इरिगेशन करून आमकां कितें फायदो आसा, आमी जेन्ना नॉर्मल उदक लायता तेन्ना तें उदक सगळ्याक पसरता. आनीक दुसऱ्या वेळार कितें जाता, स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन आमी जेन्ना तुषार सिस्टम म्हणटा तेन्ना सगळ्या जाग्यार पडल्यार नडणी खूब जाता.
The Agriculture Department had introduced the improved drip irrigation system in 2009-2010 with a subsidy for the local farmers. The department has helped several farmers to install and operate the system. Our reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
The Catholic community across the state on Sunday offered special prayers on Palm Sunday, which marks the entry into the Holy Week commemorating the last events of the life of Jesus. This is the week that leads to the celebrations of the Passion of Jesus Christ. Special services were held across the state to mark the occasion, with palms being blessed and distributed to the faithful who spend the day in prayer preparing for the Holy Week.
प्रितीच्या बाबाबळीनू प्राचीत काळ सुरू झाला तेन्नातावन दोनवणेन आणि प्रिती मोगाच्या कोरण्यांनी आमची काळजां तयार केल्या उपरांत आज आमी हांगा एकठांय जाल्या आणि आता आख्खे पवित्र सभे बरोबर सोमया जेजूचो पास्काचो गुड समारंभ आमी सुरू करता.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.